In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for small business. Full setup 2026. Open your browser and head to clickup.com. On the homepage, log into your account. You can continue with email or use a supported social sign-in. Choose whichever is most convenient for you. If you're on a shared device, it's a good idea to avoid staying signed in for security. Once you're in, you'll land on your ClickUp home. This is your command center. On the left, you'll see the navigation where your spaces and projects appear. At the very top left, you'll notice the current workspace name. That menu is important because it's where we'll create a dedicated setup for your small business. Click the workspace name in the top left, then choose Add Workspace. Follow the on-screen prompts. Give the workspace a clear, recognizable name, usually your company name, and confirm what the workspace is for so ClickUp can tailor its suggestions. This keeps your business work separate and easy to manage. With your workspace created, let's build the structure. Think of spaces as your departments or major functions, like operations and marketing. Inside each space, use folders to group related initiatives and lists to house the day-to-day projects or pipelines. Tasks live inside lists. For example, in operations, you might create a folder for supplier management with lists like onboarding and contracts. In marketing, you could have a campaigns folder with lists for Q1 launch and content calendar. This hierarchy helps everyone know exactly where work belongs. To speed things up, open the templates gallery and apply a pre-built setup, such as a simple CRM, task backlog, or project tracker. Templates come with ready-made views and fields you can customize, so you don't have to start from scratch. Next, enable the features that make your workflow smarter. Turn on time tracking to capture effort for billing, forecasting, or capacity planning. Add custom fields like client name, budget, priority, or due date to make tasks carry the data your team needs. Set up automations to reduce repetitive clicks. For instance, automatically move a task to in progress when it's assigned, or send a notification when a due date changes. Start with a couple of helpful automations and expand as your process stabilizes. As you review your setup, switch between views like list and board to match how your team prefers to work. Keep naming consistent and simple, so everything is easy to search and scan. If you ever feel lost, check the top left to confirm you're in the right workspace. Then use the left sidebar to jump between spaces. Keep the structure lean at first. You can always add more folders and lists as your processes evolve. And that's your full small business setup in ClickUp for 2026. With a clean workspace, smart structure, and the right features enabled, you're ready to run with clarity and control.